We're on the bank of Ichawaynochaway Creek in southwest Georgia, and this is flowing through the southern part of the Jones Center at Ichaway. And this is one of our long-term study sites. So we've been making measurements of stream flow, stream water quality, and some of the biota, the animals that live in the stream here for a number of years. And the center is one of the few places in the country, in the southeastern U.S., where we've been able to make these long-term measurements. The center was established in the early 1990s, and right from the beginning, the purpose was to conduct long-term studies, which is what we're about, but also essential for helping us understand how to manage natural resources and contribute to conservation programs. Water scarcity is an issue globally. There's a limited supply of fresh water. It's a very small percentage of the water on the planet, and humans are using about half the fresh water that's available. Georgia and the southeastern U.S. are fortunate. We have an abundant supply of water under many circumstances. We get an average of about 50 inches of rainfall every year, which sounds like a lot. What we're seeing is an increase in variability of that water supply, rainfall amounts. And so water scarcity for the southeastern U.S. means times of very little rainfall and high demand, which means everybody wants water, but we aren't receiving any from rainfall. And what we've seen are periods of very low stream flow that are caused by unusually low aquifer levels. So I think one of the issues that we really need to confront in this part of Georgia is how to recognize drought conditions or water scarcity conditions before they compromise the quality of our streams and rivers. And that's an ongoing challenge, you know. And people don't realize, but the southeastern U.S. is a global center of, scientists would call it biological diversity, but there are a large number of animals, insects, fish, freshwater mussels, and things that live in the southeastern U.S. that don't live anywhere else. And the numbers of species here are far greater than in other parts of the world. So this is really a special place if you're a biologist like I am. Looking to the future, you know, I think those of us that have been here for a while have built a foundation. And with each generation of students and researchers that comes through, they have skills and abilities to ask questions that we may have asked but didn't have the tools to answer. And what excites me is seeing people come in and apply these technologies to, you know, address both fundamental information needs as well as some of the challenges for natural resources management and conservation going forward.